Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier account and that cellular data is enabled. Check airplane mode and do not disturb are off. Next, power down and remove the SIM, inspect it, then reset or test it in a second phone to isolate the SIM versus phone problem. Once done, back up iCloud or iTunes so you can reset safely. Then go to Settings General Transfer or Reset Network Settings to clear cached network states and saved Wi-Fi passwords. After a network reset, install any pending iOS updates and reboot the iPhone. Software patches often fix modem stack bugs. Next, open Settings General About and accept any carrier settings update that appears. This updates network parameters and authentication. If issues persist, manually compare APN and MMS settings to the carrier's recommended values and enter them precisely. Incorrect APN entries prevent data registration. Make sure vote LTE or LTE settings. Finally, toggle voice and data or LTE preferences and test cellular while Wi-Fi is off to force the radio to register. If the phone still won't connect, call your carrier to confirm provisioning, SIM activation, and local outages. Ask them to reprovision your line. If they report no issues, perform a full restore from a computer backup to rule out corrupted settings. Troubleshooting tip: if restoring fails, a carrier store visit for a replacement SIM or hardware diagnostic is the fastest way to resolve persistent radio or SIM fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.